today I filmed a talk through tutorial on this look just in time for summer. Super summery, super, you know, colorful. Not really, it's like two colors. That's not the point. It's like watermelon vibes, you know, like that's what I was thinking about, watermelon, when I decided to do this look, and I'm very happy that I did. I hope that you guys really like it. I hope that you guys put your own twist on it and tag me in your pictures, please. I'm going to apologize ahead of time. I filmed it in a very weird setting on my camera, and I just noticed it. I thought that it looked pretty light, but I was like, you know what, maybe it's because I'm blind, I already can't see in the lights, and you know, maybe I'm just seeing this, but no, I was not. Sorry guys. And follow me on my social medias, which is down in the description box below. So right here, somewhere on the screen, it's Beauty by Elle with 2 Y's, BEAUTYYBYL, on almost every platform. Also, hit that subscribe button before you even get into the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and share it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll just get straight into the video. Hey guys, so first I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base in the color white. I spread this all over my eyelids to help with the color pigmentation of my eyeshadow. Next, I'll be using this beautiful palette, using 2 colors, one pink called Max Volume and the other green called Green Room. Here, I'm just taking the pink and putting in my inner corner and my outer corner. Then I'll put the green in the middle, as you see on my right eye. Using that NYX base really helps my color pop on my eyes, which creates a very neon look. Next, I had to get very creative and use this old pen that I had. I rinsed it off to create the dots on my eyes. I could not find the eye brush that would complete this look flawlessly like this pen did. So, meaning I did not have one in my current collection to do the look as of today. So after I create all of the black dots, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some white to put on my eyes. Here I'm just trying to create a brightening effect. And voila, the eyes are complete. So here I'm just going to clean up that extra eyeshadow fallout. I take some Garnier cleaning water and a Q-tip and I just swipe it away. Today I'll be using a Tarte foundation, the Shape Tape foundation. I am not the biggest fan of it, but it does set well once I add my concealer and other things to my face. And here I am using 2 of my favorite concealers, both of them by CoverGirl. I use them a lot, and if you guys want to know the details, check out my Instagram page because I might be your color, and I honestly right now don't know what color they are. Also guys, this look was partially rushed. I was attempting to take calls and do this makeup look and tend to my son, so I was kind of in a rush while filming this video, as you guys may be able to tell. I normally don't contour, but with Tarte's foundation, I have to bring some of my color back. Here's my palette from Morphe, the dark brown color, to contour. It tends to work pretty well, so I stick with that. Next, this is the blush palette that I'll be using. It is from Coastal Scents. I use that pink color that I show you guys, and I also use an orangey color, which you guys will see towards the end of the video. Really wanted my under eye color to pop, and I wanted it to be very, very visual in my pictures that I take, so I went ahead and took some of that white eyeshadow base from NYX and I put it on my waterline. Then I went ahead and added a color from the palette that I used. It's a peachy color, and I thought it would be really cute and summery to brighten up the look some more. Here I'm going to be trying out Bretman's highlighter palette. So far, so good. Now I'm going to go into a spray attack. This Morphe setting spray does not come out, y'all, even though you see it coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the